got some new ramps! Alright guys, we are super pumped today because we have the one, the only, Keen Ramps! That's like a WWF intro. Was that good? We got some new ramps! I know all the guys are stoked.
Wow, look at this truck so coincidentally pulling up.
What up, Aaron?
What up?
How's
Keen
it
Ramps,
going?
let's go! KeenRamps.com. And this is a giant truck, and in the back you got some blue ramps. These are already all assembled.
Ready to go, and that's actually how they're gonna ship too.
Really? Straight up? So they ship straight to your house just like that. All right, pull up, let's skate.
Woo!
Dude,
It is
beautiful.
It is hot, and I don't know if it's because of the weather or because of those ramps. That up ledge though, Aaron.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Got blown around a little bit on the 400-mile drive, but yeah, this is the kicker.
Wow.
So it's just like our normal kicker, like same radius and specs and everything, but then no wally caps.
Yeah, I was gonna say, okay, so the other one goes up and it goes like that.
Yeah.
So this one's just straight.
Yeah, this one's straight so that it can butt against the box.
And on the side of that box, you got a butter bench.
Yeah, we did recycled plastic rather than metal.
Yeah.
On the
Just
top?
because, well,
On
on
the side, you see?
Just because we figured like a lot of it's gonna be kids learning.
Yeah.
They're gonna get shinners. I personally like split my shin open when I was a kid and
On
got
the metal.
like, yeah, I got like 80 butterfly stitches, so just a little more forgiving.
I did the exact same thing, oddly enough. I was doing a kickflip 5-0 and I slipped out. My shin hit the ledge and it was just blood. And I kept skating, I looked down and my whole side of my pant leg was blood.
Dude, that looks
So this
nice.
is golden. Okay. It's not even heavy at all.
I got this one.
Oh.
In 2018, I left my Christmas tree there for like the whole year round, and now it was like Christmas every day.
You're the author of your own story.
I set myself up.
You did.
I started with the plastic Walmart ones, but when you get this, you're leveling up instantly.
Okay, so the idea with this is that this goes all together into that.
Oh, so you can get them by themselves, but it also goes together as one cohesive unit.
You can get them by themselves, it also goes together, yeah.
Oh, dude, that's awesome. Dude, that's so cool.
Everyone seems to really like the stuff where you can like go off of a lip and get a grind. So like this thing,
Yeah.
you know, you could just boom right there, get your first grind.
So it's very set up for easy to learn beginners.
Yeah, that's kind of the idea, but at the same time, it's small and versatile enough that you could just do whatever you want with it. You know, you could take this to a spot and make your own ledge over a grass gap. You could take that kicker and blast over a trash can.
Yeah.
You could take that wedge, bump over a hydrant.
So sick. This is Corey, and he's the owner of Keen Ramps. How long have you been doing Keen Ramps?
Keen Ramps is been around for 8 years now. So I started it in 2012. It's been a wild ride, a fun
journey.
time. Yeah.
8 years, well done.
But say it's a trick where you need more setup time, right? You want to learn how to do like a half cab off of some type of incline. Just take that away. Now you have all the time in the world to like.
yeah, this is the ticket right here.
Right?
We're gonna skate that a lot.
You know, just hop on there like 5-0.
Mani pad in the middle.
Dude, this looks so fun. That up ledge literally looks like the most fun thing ever. I can't say that enough. Is this really you in the flesh, Troy? Oh my gosh, where have you been?
So good to be back.
If I'm gonna have to skateboard, I'm gonna have to stretch because, you know, I'm not a young buck anymore. You know what the physical therapist said? She said my lats dorsi is, I don't even know if that's how you say it. She said it's tight.
Let's
And I
stretch it
said,
out. There's your
Yeah,
back.
no kidding. You're telling me.
You need Andy Anderson here to stretch with you every day.
Literally.
That would help you so much.
If I did, this Andy Anderson doc, man. All right, you ready?
No.
You ready?
No,
Wait, no skate, no skate, just skate.
Why do I feel like Corey is just gonna destroy everyone's tricks?
Oh, I feel like he skated this thing.
understand we're like not that good. Mogely, go ahead.
Oh!
Someone else has to go.
Is that Hesh? You see it?
Oh! I thought you broke your ankle in 17 places. Whoa.
This man has 2 different shoes on.
Damn, boy. Oh, wow.
When I was a kid, I would have skated this launch ramp for days, months, and years.
I bet.
Literally just that, only that.
Hey, that looked pretty cool though, I'm not gonna lie. What the heck? Jeez.
Everybody's like, oh, bump to ledge, oh, we do this. And I'm like, did you not see the manual pad? The second he lands that, I'm skating mani pad. I don't know if you noticed, but I did all the SMS 1 tricks off the little bump.
There we go. Now we're talking.
Just a couple mani tricks, and then we're gonna go to vary up the obstacles here. Okay, Mom? Oh yeah, Gabe, let's go, boy. I was gonna let Mogely have a try, and I was like, nah, not after that. Yeah.
Oh.
Felt like the best ollie of my life, no big deal.
That was good.
He literally went this high. He was like this high. course, I forget to film Mogely.
Yep.
Yeah. Let's go!
I wouldn't have even tried if I didn't see him try it. So
I got 20 bucks if you ollie back in.
yeah.
Wow, 20 bucks.
Here we go, Mogely. Here we go. You guys killed it.
Usually it's Venmo. I don't deserve it.
This is the best day of his life.
How about I get 10 and he gets 10? Because he did it first and I wouldn't have tried it.
If you guys want to get these ramps, go to brailleskateboarding.com or keenramps.com. Check them out. You guys are going to love the ramps. And if you're a beginner skater, they're absolutely perfect. Man, you killed it.
That was so much
You
fun.
destroyed it.
I tried. I wish
you.
I got that impossible though.
There's still time.
That's true.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It is awesome. We love the ramps. I'm sure we're going to make 1,000 videos on them. If these guys want to follow you, what do? We go to Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram, we got Keen
Ramps.
Ramps. We're on Facebook, not super active on Facebook. I think we have a Twitter, it's kind of dormant, but mostly Instagram. And then our website, we have a YouTube channel. We put a few little videos on there.
Yeah, so check them out, guys. All the links are going to be in the description below. We got the Instagram, keenramps.com, and everything. And like I said at the beginning, these ramps are awesome, especially if you're a beginner and you're learning how to skate. You can go, okay, I don't need to roll down a curb. You can go up a ramp and learn all of your tricks off of like a curb height situation. They're super, super good for progression. And he's got that butter bench on the side. If you don't know what that is, it's this recycled plastic right here. Safer, because if you hit your shins on that, you're good to go.
It's
And
also
yeah.
kind of lighter on your trucks too.
Yeah.
I mean, I know we like to mess our trucks up, but sometimes when you're digging in the angle iron a bunch, it's like you get those deep grooves. So these just kind of like prolong the life of your truck, smack your shin, you're not bummed, you're not splitting your shin open.
It's so good. This is my absolute favorite thing. When I first got the skate park built in Red Lodge, I did a butter bench. It was like, what do you want? It was like, I want flat ground and a bench made of recycled plastic. It's absolutely the best stuff to learn on. It's wicked. So again, a huge thanks to Keen Ramps for coming up here.
Yeah, thanks for having us. I'm excited. And I think down the line, we can introduce more things. You know, we got the quarter pipe now, the 2x4. Now we have these 3 obstacles. Maybe later on a rail, ride-on rail or something.
Yeah, if some of you guys don't even know the history of Keen Ramps in the Braille house. Corey came and he built the very first, you could see the remnants of it back there on the wall, the very first wall ride. And then we got our mini ramp. Our whole mini ramp is Keen Ramps. And then we did the quarter pipe and now all of these 3. So we got some history.
Yeah.
The roots go deep.
Yeah, I love it. And hopefully do some more. You know, there's a lot of kickers out there. And when we decided to make one, those old black ones, I think they were like Landwave or Ramp Tech or...
Ramp Tech, that was my jam.
It was something like that. You could buy them at like Big 5 and Toys R Us.
Yes.
And they were plastic, but like the radius was actually nice.
Yeah.
Like they had a good kick.
Yeah.
But they were so light, they would move, they would crack, they would warp from the sun. So I was like, we just need to make a legit version of that, like out of wood that like isn't gonna get beat up, it's not gonna slide. So it's pretty much just like a 2.0 version of the really popular kicker ramp that are all over the place.
Yeah, that's like what I was saying at the beginning of this video. When I was 12 years old, this is what I did right here all day. Pop shove it, tail grab, big spin tail grab. We just tail grabbed everything. So much fun. All right, guys, you guys should definitely check out these ramps. They're super, super, super sick. You can get them all as a package at a discounted price, or you can get them each separately, whichever one you want. They're super fun. You guys are gonna have a blast. Check it out. Link in that description below, brailleskateboarding.com or keenramps.com, and follow everybody's socials. Let's go! Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's your time. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.